Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to reset your forgotten password for Peacock TV. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open up a web browser and type in peacocktv.com in the URL box. After you do that, you will then end up in the main homepage for Peacock TV. Once you end up in the official homepage of Peacock, go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Now, in the sign in area, you will need to enter your email address associated with Peacock TV. After typing in your email, click on continue. It'll then prompt you to enter your password for your account. If you don't remember your password, click on I don't know my password at the bottom. Enter the email address associated with your Peacock account in the text box and click continue. You'll receive an email with instruction to set or reset your password. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider's inbox. Open up your email from Peacock once you get to the inbox page and click on reset your password. Enter the new password you'd like to set for your account in the first tab and re-enter the new password once again in the next field, and finally click on update password button to change your password to a new one. The next time you log into your account, you will now need to enter your email and the newly updated or reset password. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.